Hello guys, welcome back to the video. This is just a small insider tip for all my dear Royal Enfield buddies out there. The new generation models like Meteor, Classic and Hunter 350 and even upcoming Super Meteors will be having these kind of issues which can be faced. So over here there is a spanner icon which is blinking. So this is nothing but a service reminder, so that you can take your bike to service after you complete few kilometers, which are like for first service it's 500 kilometer, second service, all those things and all. Then after that you get it at 5000 kilometer. Over here I started to get this around 4900 kilometer. It's blinking from then, but then I had already done my fourth service within 5000 kilometer itself. So for fifth service I have to wait up till January 2023 actually. So it's 2 years after Jan 2021, which is the time I purchased my vehicle. So over here, to remove this icon you have to go to trip B. After going to trip B, just turn your vehicle off and hold on to this button over here, I button, for at least 10 seconds. I am doing all kind of circus just to make a video, but then it's okay. So it's almost up by 10 seconds. So yeah, so right now I am still pressing the button after turning it on. So the service reminder spanner icon is gone. So what you just need to do is that first step, while the spanner icon is blinking, uh, take it to trip B over here, as right now over here it is in trip B. Then turn the vehicle off. There's an I button over here, so you have to click on that I button continuously for 10 seconds. Then should not leave the button, just turn on the vehicle over here and hold it for a few seconds until the spanner icon is gone completely. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next video.